guys, this is Suru at Fix-It. Today I'm going to show you how to do oil change and the entire vehicle service on the Japanese way. So before you do everything, safety is important. Glove and glasses. So you have to lift up the car, the first thing. Then you have to take making sure you have oil pan, and you have to take the first oil cover. So I'm gonna show you one by one. Just hang in there. Hey guys, I'm under the car now. So you have to take this cover using this screw. Okay, now there's a plug here, 14mm wrench, like that. Turn over there, this tire side, driving tire side. Then take the plug, put a certified oil draining oil drainer. So make sure you put some carpet or put some cardboard or whatever to save the flow in case it leaks. So make sure the container you put under the oil pack, it's not leaking. So after you drain all the oil, just wipe it down very nicely with a clean cloth and close the plug. Then we go from there. Thank you for watching this channel. Hi, it's Missouri with Fixing It. And after all the oil is drained, so you have to nicely wipe. This is Japanese way. So I never see anybody up here clean anybody. I can say anybody. Most of the place I went, like they don't that much clean like I do. So making sure you get a nice clean cloth and making sure there's no any oil. Then you have to put the plug back. You have to clean the plug too very nicely, nice and clean. And making sure you tighten this up. The wrench back. Now opposite side. Do not turn too much because I don't want to mess up with the thread. And also we have the filter up here, can you see? So you have to take that, put the same container down, and same thing you clean up. So after you drain the old oil from the filter, so we had to put a new filter, and you have to go up and you fill up with the oil. I'm going to show you in the next video. Thank you. There's a new filter. I already wiped up here, so you have to put like this. Just make sure you wear gloves. My gloves is straight up. Do not tie too much. You can do it in only the hand power, not tool power. Okay, only hand power. That's it. Okay, it's very nice and very tight. Okay, now you put this cover and you have to fill up the oil. So you have to put 0W16. So you can see this W16. Take this cap off, and make sure you wipe it nice and clean with a nice cloth, and make sure you clean up here. So dust up here. So this is called Japanese way of oil changing. So after you change the oil, you have to put some air. To clean the dust, you're gonna put some air and clean the dust. So you're good to go. Make sure you clean up when you take this out. It's a little tight. So you take this out. Make sure you clean this. Here, you see, you clean that. Make sure you clean that and put the oil and dust up, and you're good to go. And make sure you start for like 2-3 minutes. And you can save by these a lot of money, and make sure you're cleaning the stuff then the mechanic. So nobody gonna clean your car like you do. So keep that in mind. Thank you for watching my channel.